Hey guys, today I want to show how to create a list in HTML. So in HTML has a two list, has unordered and ordered list, and how to use and how to create this. First step is open the Sublime text editor, search for the Windows for the Sublime text, and when open, create a new file and save this file, for example, to the desktop, and change the plain text to the HTML, and write the HTML, press tab, and title will be a list, and save this file by file and save, and open this, and the title will be a list. So how to create a list? Unordered list start with the OL tag, and each list item start with LI tag. So the unordered list tag start with OL, and each item start with LI tag. So close this tag and open a new item, for example the cat, and close this and create a new item for example dog, and close this, and at the end create a new item with mouse, and close this. So this is an unordered list. So save file and open in the browser, and it has so the list item will be marked with the bullets. So this is a small black circles. So you can change this by type the next to the OL, type the style is equal list style tab, and for example to disk, and save file, and this is the same, type the circle, save, and this will be changed, for example to square, save file, and this is a square, and for example none, and this is none. So this is an unordered list. How to create an ordered list in HTML? So this will start with the OL tag and close this, and the item will be the same. So this cancel, and save file and open, and this is an ordered list. So the list item will be marked with a number, so you can change this by type the next OL. So the type will be 1. It is for number, and for example with type E, it is an uppercase letter, and you can change E, and this is a lowercase letter. So for example, you can type I. It is an uppercase Roman number. So save file and refresh this, and I with it is a lowercase Roman numbers. So this is how to create a list and how to use this. So thank you for watching and see you later.